Sometimes I fall to my knees and pray. Come, Jesus, come. Let today be the day. Yes, Lord. Thank you for this day. Thank you, Lord. I have caramel coffee. Happy Friday, guys. My letters ready to go. Work from home. Yeah. I'm so happy dahil meron akong ganitong trabaho sa bahay. Na bagamat lugi ka sa yung regular job na sa isang linggo, meron lang 3 days kang nagtatrabaho. Itong week na to, meron lang akong 3 days sa work ko regular job. 3 days, 3 hours. Only 9 hours in a week? My goodness. Hindi makasapat sa pagbayad sa mga bills, water bills, electricity bills. Hindi sapat, guys. Mahigit sa buwan ng ganito ang aming work sa regular job namin. Hindi sapat, kaya marami ang nagmumurmur, marami ang nalulungkot dahil sa mga bayarin hindi sapat. Ngunit, salamat sa Diyos dahil sa akin is nakakabawi ako dahil mayroon akong isang trabaho sa bahay. Work from home. You can work from home. See, I have more than 300 today ready to go. More than 300 today, guys. More than 300. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. More than 300. Ready to go. 300 times 5. Sa palagay nyo, guys, alin ang mas malaking kinita ko ngayon? Yung trabaho ko sa bahay, sideline, o yung regular job ko? It's ready to go, guys. Ready to go. Yeah, may mga sulat na yan. Yeah, more than 300. More than 300. 300 times 5. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Pero available lang ito, guys, sa USA at Canada. Kaya kung ikay nakaka-experience din tulad ng aking experience sa trabaho, hindi sapat talaga sa pambayad sa mga bayarin. But di ka magsulat. Di ka magsulat. It's legit, guys. Legit! Ready to go. It's ready to go. I made more than 300. Yeah. Sometimes I fall. It's ready to go, guys. Yeah, ready to go. See my handwriting? Handwriting, guys. Yung print. Hindi siya turo-turo good. And yeah. Only dalawang sentences lang ang isusulat mo sa maliit na index card na ganito. Ganito. Dalawang sentences lang. Kukopyahin mo lang din. Lahat mo lang kukopyahin. Pati address ng kumpanyang padadalan mo, kukopyahin mo lang din. Kaya, it's easy. That's why I made a lot. Thank you, Lord. Let's sing a song. Come, Jesus, come. Let today be the day. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna pray, but I'm holding on to hope that won't fade. Come, Jesus, come. We've been waiting so long for the day you return. Yeah.
Breakfast.
Breakfast! Breakfast.
Breakfast.
See? Somebody cooked breakfast for me. Thank you.
Made coffee. Made coffee.
Yeah, have a
Cooked
good day, guys.
breakfast.
Have a good day. After
Bacon,
breakfast, we will send this to
sausage,
the post office.
omelet.
Bye-bye. God bless.